guys, and today I'm going to be popping all my fidgets. Starting with this unicorn puppet. It glows in the sun into a different color. For my next fidget is this 8 puppet, which is my age. Okay. For my next puppet is this orange puzzle piece. It's like a calculator. See, look. For my next fidget is this ice cream snapper. And I have this blue puzzle piece. It's like the orange puzzle piece. And I have this rainbow puppet. Good side. This puppet bracelet, which is big on me. Ta-da! And this other unicorn puppet has the colors pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. And I have this purple flower. This pink puzzle piece, which is like the blue and the orange puzzle piece. This 9 puppet, which I'm gonna turn in a couple of days. This pizza puppet. On the back side, it has a great design of a pizza. This spinner puppet. This other unicorn puppet, which has the colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. And I have this French fry puppet. And I have my favorite puppet, this heart puppet. It has the alphabet. Okay, now I have this Among Us puppet, which has the colors yellow, pink, and white. And I have this jumbo heart puppet. I'm gonna pop all of it. It's my last fidget. guys. It has the colors orange, yellow, blue, green, dark blue, and purple. It's done popping here.